In this section, let's take a look at the information in Settings under the Help menu. Number 1. The default path of the product information. This information means that when we export production information, we can import it directly into the default path edit. So let's try that. First, select a folder on the desktop to create a new folder named hash. And then select it. Click the Modify button, and the modification is completed. The prompt says restart the software to take effect, so restart the software. Then select Report Form and export the production information. Which will be imported directly into the default path. Export finished. Number 2. Order ID setting. This system is about the order ID. There are 7 types in total. You can choose the type you want to modify. Let's say we change it to type 7, and then go to New Order to check. The order number type have modified type 7. Number 3. Autosave. With autosave enabled, the order date is automatically saved every once in a while. The proposed time is set to 30 minutes, and this time can be modified. Number 4. Order delivery date setting. This setting is about order delivery dates, which can be modified according to the actual number of days. Number 5. Plate max size setting. You can modify the length and width of the plate according to its actual size. So let's do that. The default value is length 2440, width 1220. Then we open an order. choose a cabinet. Right-click on Properties. Choose a plate. Right-click on the plate, check it to detect whether the plate has accepted the default value. Number 6. Plate binding setting. You can set plate binding here. For example, the default value is 1. Then choose a product. Right-click on the edge binding. All of these numbers are 1. Number 7. Through thin, 1 thick. Some customers need to see the smooth side serving thick side, the other side serving thin side. So here you can set it up according to your actual needs. Number 8. Without binding length loss. Let's say we set the value here to 1.5. We will also share the age of the material list when exporting the report. The length is 1.5 times of the length of selling each of our plates. Number 9. Minimum thickness setting of plate each serving. When the thickness of the plate is lower than the set value, the plate shall not be each serving. Number 10. List plate is included in product information. If list plates only need emissions and owned products, we choose an export. If we need products though, we choose export.